Hello everyone, welcome for today's class. I hope you all are doing well. So today's topic is about reasoning and aptitude. Okay, and today's topic will be the main concept will be based on analogy. Okay, this is very important for bank exam or any other competitive exam. Okay, so let us start with the concept part. Let me clear the concept first. Okay, y'all can take down this. Okay, and y'all can start studying them for your exam. Analogy. Simple meaning of analogy is similarity, but in terms of reasoning, the meaning of analogy is logical similarity in two or more things. In problems based on analogy, we will usually be given one pair of images that are connected in a particular way, and the first image of a second pair we have to find the correct image of the complete the second pair in the same way as the first pair. Now the concept I will be explaining all giving an example. Okay, let us take one example. You can take down the explanation part, the concept part you can take down. Next, moving towards the example. Okay, here what you'll have to do is you'll have to match the pair. Okay, I hope you all can see this clearly. Okay, so that's the because your options are given. You have to find a matching pair. This is example. Find a matching pair over here. Option A, option B, option C, option D, and option E is given as well. So here, which option do you think will be correct? Is going to be correct option for you all. Obviously, the option B is the correct option. Why option B is the correct option in this? Yeah, let me tell you all why option B is the correct option right over here. So the explanation part is right over here. Okay, the explanation part is right over here. In first figure of left pair, middle figure becomes the outer figure. Okay, outer figure becomes inner figure and the inner figure becomes middle figure. Okay, in both figures or of left pair, outer figure and inner figure are shaded while middle figure is unshaded. Okay, that's the only reason why option B is the correct option. Okay, now moving towards the next example. Here what you'll have to do is in this example you'll have to find the missing pair. Now here you'll have to find this one. Okay, so let us find this. Let us see what we are going to get here. So how we are going to see what will be the next one from here? Here options are given. You all can see options are given to you all. Option A, option B, option C, option D and option E is given. Which option do you think will be the correct option? Obviously, looking at this, you will come to know option C will be the correct option. Okay. Why option C will be the correct option? Let me tell you. Suppose if you add plus 3. Okay, if you add plus 3, what you would have got here? 1 plus 3 will give you 4. Okay, 4 plus 3 will give you 7. Then 3 plus 3 will give you 6 and 2 plus 3 will give you 5. So same way, you'll have to use the pattern for this one. So what you are going to get is, so 3 plus 3, this 3 will give you what? 3 plus 3 will give you 6. 3 plus, okay, 6 plus 3 will give you 9. 5 plus 3 will give you 8. And 4 plus 3 will give you 7. So obviously option C is the correct option. Even I have given you all the explanation part. Okay, if you all have not understood my explanation, you all can take the explanation. You all can just see to this. I have given an explanation part. 1 plus 3 will give you 4. 4 plus 3 will give you 7. 3 plus 3 will give you 6. And 2 plus 3 will give you 5. So same way if you do it. Therefore pattern followed in right pair will be like this. Okay, so if you put 3 plus 3 will give you 6, right? So same way now what you have to do, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here, okay, so next will be what, 6 plus 3 will give you 9. Next what is left, 4 plus 3 will give you 7. So that's how you got this to be a correct option. From here, which option was the correct option? Option C was the correct option. Okay, I hope you'll have understood the explanation part. Next, moving towards the classification. Okay, classification of figures or shapes test our ability to work out which shapes are similar and which are different in a given set of options. We need to use our observation skill to compare the given shape, symbols, and find the visual thing, link or links. Okay, so moving towards the next example. Now, see, find the odd one out. You'll have to find the odd one out from this. Okay, so which is the odd one? Option D is the odd one. Can you say option D is the odd one? Yes, option D is the odd one. Now, why option D is the odd one? Have you all seen? Explanation, figures in option A, B, C, and E are symmetrical along PQ. Right? Along PQ, all are symmetrical. But whereas option D is not symmetrical, because here it is shaded portion is there. Here this is also shaded here. But here this side it is unshaded. It should be, both should be shaded over other side also. It should be the same thing, right? Here one unshaded, shaded. Here shaded portion is there, unshaded portion is there. That's why it is not a symmetrical. So along PQ. So obviously option D is the odd one. Next, moving towards the next example, let us see the next example. Next example is, which of the following figure is same as the given problem in figure? This is very easy. You all can directly, looking at the figures, you all can make out. So you all can just see to this. Okay, let me, you all have to see this properly, right? The E1 is none of this. Okay, option E is none of this. So let me see the figures. Which figure is the same as the given problem? You all can see over here, this part is dark. So obviously option A is not correct. Then next, let us compare it with B and C. Okay, this part is matching up. But let us see. Okay, so obviously option B is the correct option. Everything is matching, because here let us see option C. Just let us see option C. Okay, here this portion is not shaded. Okay, whereas you all can see that this portion is shaded right over here. But whereas here it is not shaded. So option, this part you all can see. Here it is shaded. Here it is not shaded, this portion. Okay, and here also you can see it is shaded over here, whereas this is not shaded. So obviously option C is incorrect option. Here this one is C, this one you all can see. So option D is also incorrect. So the only option left was, all obviously the option B was the correct option. So you all can take down this. Next we can even see the explanation part over here. Okay, option B was the correct option, right? Yeah, this you all can rub. Okay, this part. Explanation, by matching shaded part of given circle we find the figure in option B same as the problem figure. You'll have to just see, okay, and then mark, tick mark, okay, whatever is correct option. This is very easy. You can easily solve it for your bank exam or any other competitive exam. So I hope you all liked today's concept analogy part, and I hope you all have understood. Like, share and subscribe with your friends for more updates on more classes on such kind of bank exam or any other competitive exam, and thanks for watching.